Hey guys, my name's Chris Bryson, and I just wanted to go over my stock market findings for today. So right now we're looking at a S&P 500. As you'll notice, we have double tops. So we'll have a top at 1550, crash, top at 1550, crash. So that was 2008. And ever since 2008, the S&P has rallied all the way up to around 2936. So recently we broke the highs to the upside and then we fell back below. So I just wanted to look over really quickly at the US national debt clock. So when we look on here, the US national debt right now is $21.62 trillion dollars. And then if we go back to 2008, the US national debt was 10.7 trillion. So for me, it doesn't really make that much sense how back in 2008 we had 10 trillion in debt and now we have 20 trillion in debt, but the stock market has continued to accelerate in this bullish trend. Um, so for right now, I'm looking for a pullback, or you could call it a recession in the S&P 500, potentially all the way back down to this ascending trend line or lower. So keep your eye out on the monthly chart. Now when we go to the weekly, we have an ascending trend line that has 1, 2, 3, 4 rejections, some bearish MACD divergence, and a big bearish engulfing candle that formed yesterday actually. So here's the high at 2869 or 2870 right here in January, broke above it and then fell back below with some bearish momentum. So if price breaks this ascending trend line, it could be an indication of a bearish market. So something like this pullback and then a correction. So heading down to a daily, there's that high at 2867. We rallied back above and then crashed yesterday, October 10th, with a massive bearish engulfing candle to the downside. So this is my prediction. I predict that this is the start to a bearish correction in the S&P 500 and a recession. So I'm just putting this video out there to prove to myself in the future that I was right about this call, and hopefully you guys can learn and gain some knowledge from what I said in this video. So thank you guys. I'll talk to you soon.